In this video, we will first hear the story. Then we will learn vocabulary and understand where that vocabulary is used and how to make sentences with it. This approach will make learning English easier. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Adventure of Sam and Lily. Sam and Lily were best friends. They lived in a small town near the forest. Every Saturday, they went on adventures together. One sunny morning, they decided to explore a new path in the forest. "Let's see where this path takes us," Sam said excitedly. As they walked, they heard the sound of water. They followed the sound and found a beautiful waterfall. The water was clear, and there were colorful fish swimming in a small pond at the bottom. "Wow, this is amazing," Lily exclaimed. "Let's take a closer look." They carefully walked to the edge of the pond. Suddenly, they noticed something shiny in the water. "What's that?" Sam asked, pointing to the shiny object. Lily reached into the water and pulled out a small golden key. "This must be special," she said. "But what does it open?" They decided to continue their adventure and find out. After walking for a while, they came across an old wooden chest hidden under some leaves. "Do you think the key fits this chest?" Sam asked. Lily tried the key and it fit perfectly. They opened the chest and found it filled with old coins, jewels, and a map. "This must be a treasure," Sam said with wide eyes. The map showed the way to more treasures hidden in different parts of the forest. Sam and Lily knew their adventures had just begun. "Let's follow the map and see where it leads us," Lily said with excitement. They spent the rest of the day exploring, finding more hidden treasures, and enjoying their adventure. They knew they would have many more adventures together in the future. Vocabulary. 1. Adventure. Meaning, an exciting or unusual experience. He went on an adventure. 2. Explore, meaning, to travel around an area, to learn about it. They explore the forest. 3. Path, meaning, a way or track laid down for walking. She walked on the path in the forest. 4. Waterfall, meaning, a place where water flows over a vertical drop. She saw a beautiful waterfall. 5. Pond, meaning, a small body of still water. He stands by the pond. 6. Shiny, meaning, reflecting light, typically because it is very clean or polished. The sun made the lake water shiny. 7. Edge, meaning, the outside limit of an object, area, or surface. She stands at the edge of the pool. 8. Key, meaning, a small piece of shaped metal used to open a lock. 9. Chest, meaning, a large, strong box used for storage. He opened the chest. 10. Treasure, meaning, a quantity of precious metals, gems, or other valuable objects. Here are some questions for you in this video. I hope you can solve them. 1. What do Sam and Lily find at the waterfall? 2. What do they discover inside the chest? 3. How do Sam and Lily feel about their adventure? 4. What do you think they will find on their next adventure?